Welcome friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to control sound in Flash using ActionScript. Creating sound controls. You can use the built-in sound class to control sounds in SWF file. To use the method of sound class, first of all you must create a sound class object. Then you can use the attach sound method to insert a sound from the library into a SWF file while it is running. Steps for attaching sound. Select File, go to Import to import a sound. Select your favorite song. Select the sound in library, right click and select linkages. Select the export for an ActionScript and export in first frame. Then give it the identifier a_1000_ways. Add a button to a stage and name it play button. Add a button to a stage and name it stop button. Add a movie clip to the stage and name it speaker. Select frame 1 in the main timeline and select Windows, go to development panels, select actions and add the following code to the action panel. Speaker.stop. Song equal to new sound. Song.onSoundComplete equal to function opening curly braces speaker.stop closing curly braces semicolon. Song.attach sound in double inverted comma 1000 ways. Play button dot on release equal to function song.start and speaker.play closing curly braces and semicolon. Stop button dot on release equal to function opening curly braces song dot stop and speakers dot stop closing curly braces. First of all, this code stops the speaker movie clip. Then it creates a new sound object and attaches the sound whose linkages identifier is 1000 ways. Next, it defines an onSoundComplete handler for the song object, which stops the speaker movie clip once the sound has finished. Lastly, onRelease handler associated with the play button and stop button object start and stop the sound using sound.start and sound.stop methods and also play and stop the speaker movie clip. Select Control and go to Test Movie to hear the sound. The output will be as shown in the screen. Thank you.